to talk to you about the KYC Review Log and the AML Review Log. In a previous video, I've showed you where to complete the review of customer profile. Once that's done, that will be logged in the KYC Review Log. And for the review of customer activity and risk, once that's completed, that will be going to the AML Review Log. And again, review customer profile is done by the tellers, and review of customer activity and risk is done by the compliance officer. Now, as a quick review, let's find a customer that you're interested in reviewing. Click on the customer and then click on Review Customer Profile. Now you're just going to want to do a quick review. And then in the review notes, you can just say all documents were verified. So once you've completed the review, again, the green bar indicates how complete this review was. So since it says we're good to go, let's click on Save Review. Now, once that's complete, let's go to the drop-down menu on the left, find KYC Review Log. Say if you had completed a lot of customer reviews that day, and you'd like to keep track of who you have reviewed. At the top right-hand corner, there's a small T. T represents today, and it should indicate all the customers that you had reviewed. And additionally, it'll tell you who the reviewer was, what boxes were checked for what section, and any notes that were added for that customer. And you can also double-click on the customer if you would like a better view of what is completed and what isn't. And that is complete. Now, for the review customer activity and risk, let's do a similar procedure. So let's click on that. And let's assume that you had just completed a review. So I'm just going to quickly do that. So now say the review is complete. Let's confirm the review. And you can put any other notes you'd like. So for here, I'm just going to quickly say the review is complete. And that you checked everything. And save the review. Now, similarly, if we go to the drop-down menu on the left, and this time we're going to look for the AML Review Log. And again, to review all the customers you had reviewed that day for your AML report, click on the T at the top, and then your customer should appear, again with who reviewed that customer, any boxes that need to be filled, and any review notes that were required. And now you know where all of your reviews go once you have completed a review of a customer. And see you in the next video.